Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to add gradient color border in shape in Photoshop document. So let's started. At first open your Photoshop document. Now you can see add gradient color border to shape. Now you going to the layer option. Now click from shape one. Now click for mouse right button. Now click from blending option. Now click from stroke option. Now select from color. Now click from gradient. Now choose from gradient color. Now choose from color. Now click from size. Now click OK. That is. Then again click from mouse right button on the layer. Now click from blending option and select from stroke and select from color. Now click OK. That is. Now you can see add gradient color to shape in Photoshop.